Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we'll learn how to set up a blog in Gridbox. We'll go through all the essential steps, from activating the blog app, creating a blog content app, to creating your first blog post and adding content. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be ready to publish and manage your blog content. In this series, we won't cover basic concepts, such as categories, tags, or authors. For that, we have a dedicated playlist called Gridbox Content Management, where all of these topics are explained in detail. We strongly recommend checking it out before continuing. Before you can start creating blog content in Gridbox, you need to activate the blog app. From the Gridbox dashboard, go to the Apps section. Find the blog app and click Publish to activate it. Once activated, the blog app becomes available, allowing you to create and manage blog content on your website. After activating the blog app, the next step is to create a blog content app. Go to the Content section. To create a new content app, click the Add New Item button. In the drop-down list, select the blog app and click Save. The app has now been created. To open it, simply click on it, and you will enter the created content app. To create your first blog post, select a category and click the Add New Item button. Enter the title of your post and click Next. After that, your blog post will be created and opened in the editor, where you can start adding and structuring your content. As you can see, the blog post submission page, unlike standard pages, includes a sidebar that provides quick access to blog post settings. In this sidebar, you'll find general options, publishing settings, SEO, and social sharing settings. Let's set up a featured image for our blog post. The blog post editor is based on the standard Gridbox builder, the same one used for creating regular pages with a structure of sections, rows, columns, and plugins. Everything works in a familiar way. To edit an element, simply click on it and adjust it in the Settings panel. Each element comes with a full set of customization options, giving you a high level of flexibility. For more convenient text editing, you can also detach the Settings panel from the sidebar and work more comfortably while editing content. But the most important thing is that the blog post editor in Gridbox is not limited to a simple text editor. You have full access to all Gridbox plugins. This means your posts are no longer limited to plain text. You can enrich them with videos, image galleries, sliders, forms, and much more. After adding content to your blog post, make sure to save the page and preview it on the front end to see the final result. As you can see, the featured image is displayed at the top of the post, followed by the content we added inside the editor, including text and a carousel. In the next lesson, we'll take a closer look at how to customize and edit the single post layout so you can control how individual blog posts are displayed on your site. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.